Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am super excited about this video because a company has reached out to me to do a product review. It is the Redmond hand mixer, and I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but all of my hand mixer didn't make it in the last move, so I have like the beaters for it but not the actual hand mixer. So I was really excited when they reached out to send me this because I do need a hand mixer. So in this video I'm going to be making a Mississippi pot roast, a loaf of homemade bread, which will be my first time, so that should be interesting, and some mashed potatoes. So I'm going to do like an open face roast beef sandwich with mashed potatoes and gravy. So I'm hidden away in an area of the house that's actually quiet because I can cook with the sound off and then just do a voiceover, but I can't do this around a bunch of kids. So it does have the two bread hooks and then the regular beaters for the mixer. I love the color. The color is probably my favorite part. My kitchen is Pioneer Woman. It also has a user manual, and then the color matches all of my Pioneer Woman stuff in my kitchen, so that is absolutely perfect. Look how pretty. And it also has a turbo button on it, so if you wanted to make whipped cream or something like that, you could also do that. I am kind of scared for making homemade bread, but yeah, we're gonna do that together. I'm making Taylor Elmore's, well, it's not her recipe, but it's the recipe she uses that was linked in one of her videos of her baking bread, so I will link that below as well. But yeah, guys, it's beautiful. I'm excited to use it. It has 5 speeds and then the turbo option, and then just one click of a button to pop out the dirty beaters or bread hooks. And so that makes for simple cleanup. But yeah, I'm super excited. I will have a link in my description below for a discount code for any of you that would like to buy it. Let's get to cooking, and I will let y'all know what I think about it. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is put together this homemade bread recipe. And I will put the link for this recipe in the description box below, as well as Taylor Elmore's channel and video of her making it. I'm just going to throw that together real quick, and then we will move on to the next step. So as I said in the beginning, I have never made homemade bread. This was my first try, and it was a very simple process with this mixer, having the bread hooks, and I may just attempt it again in the future.
Someone to save me, no, and don't come running and blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Ooh. Let's be honest for a second, yeah. You're being over your head, babe, 'cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
Put up with changes. Come pick me up, 'cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright.
So I cannot explain how much power this mixer has, even without using the turbo function, but I absolutely loved it. It literally cuts out half of the time that you would spend using any other mixer that I've ever used before. And then of course it has the button so you can just pop out the beaters. Once I finished my potatoes, I gave them a taste, and they did need a little bit more butter and salt. So I just added that and they were ready to go. So now that the bread is finally done, I just take it out of the oven and remove it from the pan so it can sit to the side and cool off. And then I'm gonna slice it and make my plate. Here's how my Mississippi pot roast turned out. It was delicious. And my mashed potatoes. I made a packet of McCormick's brown gravy. I don't think I let the bread cool off enough, but it was perfect. I would make it again just the same. It was so good. I've never actually eaten fresh bread. So here I'm just making my plate into a open face roast beef sandwich and the potatoes and gravy, and I garnished it with some fresh parsley, and I had plenty of bread left for the next day. And that is going to wrap up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I highly recommend this hand mixer. Even if you already have one, this having the bread hooks is very convenient, and the speed and the power of this mixer tops any of them that I've used in the past. I will have a link in the description box for the hand mixer and a discount code for anybody who is interested in purchasing one. But that is going to be it for this video. I will see y'all in my next one.